if I was self-employed and my finances were a mess and I just wanted to get everything in order so I could start setting goals and achieving them, here's exactly what I would do, okay? First, get all your information together. I would get everything, all my debts, all my income, all my monthly expenses, the subscriptions, things that come up, one off, what have you. Get all that information together. Secondly, I would have everything in one place. So I would get a little, $1, $2 notebook from the dollar store. And then I would also download a tracking app. Any tracking app, it could be free. But what I would want to be doing is tracking my income and expenses. Then I would want to, and when tracking income, I mean every penny. So every penny that you spend and every penny that you bring in, track all of it for at least 2 full weeks. Those 2 full weeks would give me a good baseline on what I would spend for the month. It would be able to help me to create a budget, right? All right, and then initially the main priority would be I want to choose 2 priorities. The main priority would be, for one, get my finances in order so I would know where my money's going. And then second was either choosing, okay, what's more important right now? Do I need to build an emergency fund? Do I need to try to get a month ahead? Because that's something that's kind of just helps you be able to breathe a little bit better, being self-employed, having that month ahead, or the emergency fund, or maybe something else is coming up that you need to save for, buy equipment or whatever. That will be my next thing. Go ahead and choose your priorities, because that's going to help you determine when you set that budget of what you're working towards. Then you go in and create your starter budget. So, you list your income, and that's just a general idea. The way I like to budget is for the week in advance. So what I make this week, I pay the bills for next week, but you have to kind of do it in a way that gets you ahead a little bit, so you'll start out, on pace. But you want to create your budget, list your expenses and everything down, so that way you can break down this week what needs to be paid. And I find that being self-employed, if I budget weekly, my week runs from Sunday to Saturday. So I find that if I budget weekly, not what I think is coming, but based off what I have coming in, then I'm able to stay on top of things a little bit better. And again, so what I make this week, I pay next week's bill. So I'm always at least a week ahead, and over time it'll build up to be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And then after that, I would plan my routine. So I would plan to sit down at least once a week to look over the budget and everything like that, see what the numbers are, and then making sure that your transactions and everything are entered daily. So you want to track your expenses daily. Weekly, you want to budget and pay your bills, and then monthly, you want to close out and review, because you also want to see kind of what you got going on and what you did, and did you achieve the goals that you wanted to achieve. And then lastly, kiss me. Keep it super simple for me. Okay, keep it super simple. Don't try to overcomplicate. A budget is really meant to be really easy, and not to say easy, but it's really meant to flow, to help you. Don't make it super complicated and stress yourself out. Okay, just keep it super simple. Allow the process to work for you, and keep working the plan and planning the work. There's going to be times where you're going to have to adjust that budget, and that's okay. That's part of the process, but you at least need to have a starter budget to see what you're working with. So again, if I was self-employed with a regular income, my finances were a mess, and I wanted to tidy things up and start hitting some goals, these are the things I would definitely do. I'll see y'all Sunday for Money Sunday. Take care.